Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Vauxhall Combo panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under the warranty for the first 3 months. You also get roadside assistance for the first year included with a single call-out. Both roadside assistance and warranty can be extended here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes painted in white, long wheelbase and the Sportive trim level, which grants you color-coded front bumpers and rear bumpers, electrically adjustable and heated mirrors, twin sliding doors, parking sensors over the rear bumpers, and barn-style opening doors. The vehicle is fitted with brand new Ply Lining all over the rear area and a full metal bulkhead. From the floor you have access to 6 anchorage points and a full width of 121 centimeters in between the wheel arch housings. The height at the lowest point of the roof is 118 centimeters. And as this one is the long wheelbase model, you have a fully usable floor space of 197 centimeters from the bulkhead to the door. The cabin is in a 2-seat configuration with both seats in charcoal fabric with graphite inserts, and the driver's seat is fully adjustable. The dashboard is versatile with multiple storage solutions, with a locked glove compartment in front of the passenger and one right in front of the driver. The multifunction steering wheel follows the sport design philosophy of the Vauxhall Sportive trim level and houses the controls for cruise control with speed limiter and infotainment as well. The steering wheel itself can be adjusted both in height and depth. As part of the trim level, it comes with automatic headlights and electrically adjustable mirrors and powered windows. The infotainment is a DAB radio with Bluetooth capability, and from here you can also access the parking sensors dynamic preview. Underneath the infotainment you find the air conditioning controls with the toggle for the heated mirrors and a toggle for the electronic stability program. The vehicle is fitted with a 5-gear manual transmission. And this is the Vauxhall Combo Sportive. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.